In this recording, I'm going to show you how to use these partially automatic settings on this particular Canon camera. These settings will be so that you can, when you choose the aperture, the camera chooses the shutter speed, or if you want to choose the shutter speed, the camera will choose the aperture, the f-stop for the correct setting. Now, so far in this, for these assignments, you've used the manual setting. You'll see that little line right there, which points to the manual M on here. That means that you have to choose the aperture and the f-stop. And you notice right here that this camera is showing an f-stop of 11 and a shutter speed of 1/60th of a second. But say that you are in a situation where you want to control the shutter speed, and you want the camera to determine the f-stop. Well, I can take a picture here at 1/15th of a second, and the camera will select a shutter speed. So I'm just going to take a picture right here of what's ever in front of me there, and that's what it did. It shows 4.5. There was no flash on here. I'm going to press the play. That's showing some stuff on my desk. Notice it showed a shutter speed of 1/15th of a second and an aperture of 4.5. So if I were to change the shutter speed now, I'm going to move it down to a really slow shutter speed. It will then choose the f-stop. So here I go. I'm going to take a picture again. And notice how long it took to do that. And there's the picture that it took. And notice it's 1/5 of a second at f5.6. All right. Now, if you wanted it again to show the to select the aperture, you could do that. Notice, the shutter speed. This is where you select the aperture, and the A is where you select the aperture, and the camera selects the shutter speed. At f16, I'm going to take a picture now. And notice how long it took a picture for. It took a picture for 2 full seconds, because that's how long I needed to get an exposure on this. That's all I want to show you for now. Have fun.